Hello, this is Smarter Prepping with Uncle Mark, and I'm Uncle Mark. Today is the Friday, the 12th of January, 2024. All right. It's a very cold day here in Wichita, Kansas. It's about 8 p.m. right now. And very cold day here in Wichita, Kansas. Here's the weather, Bing weather, whatever. Says it's 12 degrees. Wind out of the north at 13 makes it feel like 16 below. 16 below. And tomorrow, by the way, they do this wrong. I don't know why weather people do this wrong all the time. But this number here needs to go down here. Because the low for Saturday the 13th will be 1 degree. The high will be 7 degrees. The low for Sunday the 14th will be 5 below. Oh, I forgot to turn my microphone around. There we go. That's better. I got to tighten it up. Sorry. Oh, me and my microphone mess. Sorry. There we go. That's better. Oh, there we go. So for Sunday the 14th, the low will be 5 below. The high will be 0. Okay? Starts at the low. It starts at 5 below. Goes up to the high of 0. Sunday the 14th. That's the forecast. Monday the 15th, the low will be 2 below. Get all the way up to 5 above 0 on Monday the 15th. And Tuesday, it starts out 3 below and goes all the way up to 14. Oh. And on Wednesday, it starts out at 5 degrees. It goes all the way up to 35. Hey! So Wednesday, we'll kind of have a break in the weather Wednesday. It goes down to 30 whenever. And of course, as you go further out, you don't know exact. Anyway, so because of all this, excuse me, landlord having his notices. Due to extreme cold, you run a risk of pipes freezing. All instructions below. Keep your heat at minimum 65 degrees. See, we've got my thermostat set over here. Okay. Almost 80 degrees. 79 degrees. Approximately 79 degrees. Nice and warm. That's the thermostat for this gas heater that roasts me up real nice. Okay. Now, and then it says, gotta keep the heat up. Okay, good. And you gotta have the faucets dripping. Okay. We're going to drip of water from all the faucets in your apartment, both hot and cold water at a steady drip. Well, this has a swivel thingy, so I try to do it centered, see? So it's hot and cold together, maybe. And there it is, steady dribble. Okay? And then, check over here. Okay, so I'll tell you what I'm doing in my life. Bathtub faucet. Get that dribble, dribble, dribble. A little bit hot, a little bit cold. And there's the under the sink. Nobody says anything about the toilet, but just hope the toilet, I guess, don't freeze up, huh? See, a little hot, a little cold. So there we go. There's that classic, silly looking clock. That's not an antique vintage clock. It's a newer one, but it's heavy and it's made to look classy or something. Oh, I rescued it a while back. And then it says, and it once again it mentions the thermostat. I don't know why it mentions thermostat twice, but it says no lower than 65 degrees. And then it says open all closet and cabinet doors to expose plumbing fixtures. So, well, that bathroom, see, that bathroom's already got the plumbing exposed, right? Already exposed to the heat. Okay. This one, the plumbing for that is behind it here, but have to do. And so, in the kitchen, sorry to zoom you through so quickly. I'll try to go slowly. Kitchen, that means I should leave these open. When overnight, I should leave these open. See? So let the plumbing expose the plumbing. Plumbing. Okay. See? Now, I'm going to close it again, though, because this kitchen's so tiny, I have to close it so I can walk through here. Okay. And then, if you know that your neighbor's away, call the business office. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, make accommodation for pets. Management. Responsible when the loss occurred from water windstorm. Please make sure your renter's insurance is current. Yes, I have State Farm renter's insurance out $9 a month. Okay, now I'm going to go on to the next topic. I've been cooking. I had in my fridge here. I want to say it's at least 20 I may be off a little. Let's say 20 little sausage patties that I months and months ago, say 6 months ago, my neighbors gave me these Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches, which was English muffin, egg white, cheese stuck to the English muffin, and a Jimmy Dean sausage patty. Well, I threw out all the muffin, cheese, egg whites, saved just sausage patties. So I had I believe I had a bag of 24 sausage patties. And I put them, there might have been one I didn't get it. Let's call it at least 20 sausage patties. Put them in the Ninja blender. Ninja blender. Haha. That's a part, Ninja blender took apart. Anyway, but I put it all in the Ninja blender and it ground it up in little bitty bits. And then I threw it in there thinking I was going to do a kind of a baked beans thing. And I thought, no, I'll just do a kind of a sloppy joe. And I added some Worcestershire sauce, and spicy brown mustard. Added some of that to it, and some other garlic powder, onion powder. Oh, and I put in 2 cans, I believe it's 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And I put something else, I can't remember. Maybe 2 or 3 cans of diced tomatoes, or what did I do in there? Anyway, so I got it all squared away. So it's pretty good. Kind of a sloppy joe. And mainly it was 2 cans of diced tomatoes, this and that and the other. And the seasoning I mentioned. I cooked that up earlier. The sausage was stressing me out, you know. I get stressed out, I get depressed thinking, oh, what's going to happen? Am I going to... I could have thrown it out when I was out, throw it out. But I think, no, it's still good. It's Jimmy Dean quality sausage. But it was rubbery. I can't chew it. I have no upper teeth. I couldn't chew the sausage. So I let the Ninja blender, see the blender blades? There, the Ninja blender blades, they did my chewing for me. See? It chewed it up for me, okay? They use the machine when your body can't handle it. And then I got to thinking, I had this oatmeal sitting down. One of the most healthy things was to be oats. Super healthy oats, heart healthy oats, heart healthy oats. Okay. So I got this free. I have some other oats I got free. I have quick oats and regular oats. I have so much free oats that I got free. And so I thought, well, let's make a batch of oats. And I tried to follow the directions. Worked out great. Put in water, a little bit of salt, let it boil real good. Put in so much oatmeal, and stir it up, let it simmer a little bit, turn it down, let it simmer a little bit, then turn it off, and you're good. Wichita. I dished me some up, put a little honey in there, ate it with honey and peanut butter. Oh, so tasty. But I found a typo. I'm going to tell you about this. This is weird. A very, very strange typo. And this is for food service use, right? For food service use. Quaker oats. Quick 1 minute oats, it says. And so it's got directions for larger batches. I like to do large batches of things. You've seen me tell you about large. So I figured I would do what they call a batch of 8. And it said, tells how much water. And I put about that much water in there. I'm working on half-liter bottles, so it's not exactly cups. But it says 6.5 cups. I put about 6. A little over 6 cups, yeah. 3 bottles of water. Each one's over 2 cups. And then it says on how much oats, I can't read it with the sentence, the camera doesn't focus in. It says 4 cups of oats. And it says 12 ounces. For how much oats? It says 12 ounces and it says 4 cups. Excuse me. 1 cup is 8 ounces. This is a mason jar. See, 1 cup is 8 ounces. That's what it says on the mason jar. You can't see it with that camera very well, but 1 cup is 8 ounces. Pretty common knowledge. Let's see. 4 cups is 8 times 4. Isn't that 32? I guess 32. So, wow. You know, if they wanted to say ounces, they needed to say 32, not 12. Look at 12. 12 is like a cup and a half or something, right? It's like, which has nothing to do with anything. Very strange. Anyway, I thought it's unusual. You know, big companies like Quaker Oats, great big company, Quaker Oats, mighty big companies. They very seldom make mistakes that crazy, that careless. I was going to see what's the name of the parent company.